My fellow Biafras, as we are getting ready for our freedom and for the convention that is coming in the next few weeks. Victory is for the Biafra people. This freedom and this history is made once in a century. If you are part of this Biafra freedom, you must be very proud, and your generation to come will be proud that you are part of the Biafra government that restored the hope of Africa. See you in Finland.
The reason why people like us, they happy, make Igbo people come up for Nigeria is that there is a...
So I saw the funny video of this guy from Edo State saying that he's so happy and the reason why he wants Igbo people to have their own country so that he can be able to take over some properties of Igbo people that is in Edo State. He even said that there is a property owned by an Igbo person that he's already eyeing. So if Igbo people have their own country now, he can be able to take over the property. And the reason I'm making this video is because when you come to Nigeria now, you will see that if you come to the southeast, you can hardly see any property owned by anybody that is not an Igbo person in southeast. But then when you go to other regions like the south-south, the southwest, the north, 50% of properties in those regions are owned by Igbo people. So if you are only Igbo, and you are watching this video, I want you to watch the video of what this guy said and have a rethink. Okigwe, you get why.
The reason why people like us, they happy, make Igbo people come up for Nigeria is that there is a property in Edo State where me myself want to occupy. I want to occupy Igbo people property for Edo State. He get one warehouse when I just put mine, say if Igbo man come out, that warehouse, I swear to God, now me go embezzle that warehouse. That is the reason why me and they pray. May God do it for Igbo people. May they just cause problem. That problem will go lead to agony, will go lead to war, will go lead to problem. When we go see chance invade Igbo people property. Una know say there be ED invaders, ED developer, that they develop people state to state. If you see Igbo people business for my state, my brother, why they no go come out? Tell me why the reason why Igbo no go come out. If they come out, na advantage to me. That warehouse, my brother, na 3-story building. Now warehouse material, building material, cars. Now they sell for the warehouse. My guy, if a Igbo man just make pen for today, my brother, everybody, you dey America, you dey Canada, my brother, we go enter house. I swear to God, we enter house because that warehouse, Igbo man warehouse, I swear to God, I go embezzle that one. Now that one me want put body so that any Igbo man will say he rugged and dogged. Make it come say their brother warehouse for Edo State. Make Igbo man come say na he get her. Now that time he go know whether he go see his head take come out or he go there alive to enjoy the property when he want to complain for Edo State. You just the verse say my brother why me they talk like this. Now opportunity for we to embezzle Igbo people property. That is the reason why we they do underground prayer, fasting and prayer for Igbo people to continue to have problem or for problem for that country so that they go run leave their property. Not be like my brother. They go run leave their property. Now that one be mumu when they say they're mumu. Now that one be wiseness when they say they're wise. Now we they develop Nigeria. Now we my brother we go change una inherit my property. Not be like teaching a play. Don't play all Igbo people now will learn in a hard way. One love.
Alright, so this one now waiting to happen for Owerri. I want you to watch the video and see what people that should be protecting life are now doing to the life they're supposed to protect. This is what they said Nigerian army did allegedly. Watch the video and then see things for yourself. Thank you.
Good morning, my fellow Nigerians. You can see what the Nigerian army has done this morning. This is happening from Owerri. This Sunday morning, the driver was going on his own right path, and there were 3 vans. Out of the 3 vans, the 2 vans passed. The last one just blocked the driver. All of a sudden, he asked the driver to come down, and he started beating him until he beat him to faint. They faint him down here now, and this is very serious, and it has caused a lot of traffic. These people are these are the squad that came from Obize in Owerri, Imo State, this morning, Sunday morning. Look at the driver now; they beat him to faint. They fainted him this morning. This is an oppression. Nigeria have to stand for this. All the Nigeria, you have to stand for this. This is an oppression. This is an oppression. The truck driver was going on his own lane and they were going on their own path. All of a sudden, they just blocked him and began to beat him. They beat him till they faint him this morning without doing anything. Nigeria, you are to stand for justice. We are not animal. Being soldiers, we respect them because they are doing their job in this country perfectly. But this one is an oppression. This morning in Owerri, they just want to oppress this civilian because they think he's a civilian. They call him a bloody civilian. They beat him to faint, and they caused a big hold up now here in Owerri. As you can see, this is coming from Owerri this morning, this Sunday morning. Nigeria Army, please know how you treat the civilian. We call you for help, for you to assist us to fight insurgency in this country, not for you to humiliate us. This is an oppression. This man left his wife and children at home this morning to fight for his daily bread. Look at what the Nigerian Army has did to him. They beat him. The full squad, the full squad came out of their van and they beat him to stupor and they beat him to faint. Man faint. Man, he's about to give up. Please, Nigeria, please, you people should rise for justice. This is unfair. This is unfair.
For all protocols observed. What is culture? Culture is the total way of life that the people and other society are blessed with. Culture is the characteristic of a particular group of people defined by everything from language, religion, social habits, music and arts. Through culture, we are governed by norms and customs, which are the pillars of any society. I am delighted to welcome you today to the Igbo Union New Year Festival 2018. This year festival is being celebrated to honor our hard-working Igbo, both our women and our men, and to celebrate also by giving thanks to the Almighty God for a fruitful harvest for the year 2018. This year, festival is also targeted at promoting multiculturalism within the Finnish society. In this vein, let me congratulate Igbo Union Finland for its contribution in combating of racism and promoting of multiculturalism and coexistence of different nationals. The theme of this event today is aptly captured, Finland and the Igbos. It is aimed at promoting culture, ties and cultural ties between Finland and the Igbos, as well as the provision of opportunities and platform for exchange of information, ideas, interaction between individuals and groups, enjoyment and merriment. Our cultural heritage keeps our memories alive on how and belief and the cultural expression have contributed to the development of our society. This contribution is not limited to the combating of racism, promoting of multiculturalism in Finland and our society and even Finland and beyond. The New Year Festival has truly brought us together to celebrate the rich and unique cultural heritage of the Igbos. The festival also provides opportunity for the Igbos living in Finland to feel proud of our culture and heritage by showcasing our cultural shows, culinary, delight and other fun-filled activities as well as we can be seen here today. At this juncture, I would like to divert to our audience, my audience a little bit. I would want to use this medium to send a message once again to the Nigerian government. Enough of the killings of the Igbos. Enough of the marginalization of the Igbos. Enough of the genocide against Igbo people. The same message goes to every Igbo leaders around the world. It is time to speak up against the present impunity of the Nigerian government, speak up against the marginalization of the Igbos, and above all, speak up against the genocide.
I also call on the international community not to just turn a blind eye on what is happening in Nigeria. Just few days ago, our unarmed women were arrested, molested, and deprived their freedom. Why must we fold our hands and watch as Nigerian security agents molest, rape, and dehumanize and torture our women? The fight cannot be won in the streets. In addition to the street fight, we must take this fight to the center. We must begin to elect credible representatives. We must begin to elect credible leaders, governors, senators, House of Representatives, etc., to be able to fight our enemy within. Your PVC in 2019 could be a step closer to a better tomorrow of Igbo nation. Lastly, may I welcome all of you and thank you for your participation today. My special thanks also goes to our hard-working volunteers, management team, artists, executive team of Igbo Union, Finland, and also to the media partners, everyone that has worked effortless and have also contributed immensely to see the success of this festival today. I have witnessed your hard work, which truly embodies the spirit of brotherliness, oneness, and brotherhood. Thank you, welcome, and I declare this festival open. You're welcome to Igbo Union Festival 2018. Thank you.
The way kidnappers tell they kidnap Reverend Father these days is becoming too much. Another Reverend Father was kidnapped 2 days ago at Okigwe in Imo State. Now, this Reverend Father is working under Okigwe Diocese. And the Catholic Diocese of Okigwe have released a press statement following the kidnap. Let me read out what they said. They said, I am directed to inform you that one of our priests, Reverend Father Emmanuel Azubike, was kidnapped this evening, Tuesday, November 5th, 2024, at about 6 p.m. Reverend Father Emmanuel Azubike, who was ordained on September 27, 2014, is the parish priest of St. Teresa Catholic Parish, Obolo, Isialambano, local government area, Imo State. He was kidnapped along Alai community in Obolo, Isialambano, in Imo State, while on his way back home from an assignment. We solicit your fervent prayers that he may come back to us safe and sound, while trusting in your goodwill and solidarity. This is the press release coming from Catholic Diocese of Okigwe. Now, currently, the Nigerian police officers said that they are now searching for the kidnappers. So this is what is currently happening at Okigwe.